Yes, we are still under the rules of Concord, all right? Yes, and this time we are going to rule 10. And the rule 10 here says anytime you use objects made up of two parts, such as glasses, trousers, pants, binoculars, etc. Anytime you use any of these words, all right, made up of two parts, then the plural verb is required, all right? My trousers are torn because you have trousers here, all right, made up of two parts. Is going to go with are, not my trouser is torn, but my trousers are torn, all right? And you must always make sure that you put s, not my trousers, but my trousers, all right? My trousers are torn, all right? If you want to make it singular, you can put pair, my pair of trousers. You still put s in the trousers. My pair of trousers is torn. That's how to get the singular. But if you don't use pair, make sure it goes with the plural verb. Your pants are dirty. Not your pants is made up of two parts, all right? So now your pants is dirty. And if you are writing pants, you must put s. Nothing like pants. It must go with s. Pants. All right? It will go with this. All right? Pants are, again, you can make it singular. Your pair of pants is dirty. Then his glasses are broken. Not my glass is broken or my glasses is broken. All right? No, it is his glasses because it's made up of two parts. His glasses are broken, but my pair of glasses is broken. So you have a case of his glasses, all right? Then you have what? Are, all right, broken. Then you check rule 11 here that says words that appear plural but singular in sense. All right, words that appear plural but singular in sense also take singular verbs. Example include economies, in fact, diseases like HIV/AIDS, all right, all those ones. Then games, chess, billiards, games like snakes and ladders, all those ones they carry s and they must go with singular verb. For example, mathematics is my best subject. Mathematics carries s, but you can't say mathematics are my best subject. What about physics? Physics is my best subject. Not physics are my best subject. All right. Then billiards is a game too. Carries s though, but it goes with a singular verb. So mathematics here, all right. You have billiards here, both of them going with singular, forms of the verbs. All right. Yeah, and that's that. In our next class, we continue with the rules of Concord.